Congratulations, you have officially enrolled in my science class. Woo! On Monday, guys, or Tuesday, this is a picture of your Google Classroom. You should see this when you open it up. In order to get to your Google Classroom, you guys all have to be inside of your Alvin ISD email. So as you can see up here at the top, my email, and then you have these Google Apps. So if you click on Google Apps, Google Classroom should pop up. I have several different Google Classrooms in my drive, as you will too, with all of your different classes this year. And so make sure you are logging into the correct class. So if you have me, you either have 4th period, 8th grade science, 6th period map science, or 7th period map science. So for example, I'm gonna click on the 4th period class, and yours may look a little bit different because I'm looking for my teacher view, but at the top you will see this meet link. This is where we are going to meet. So whatever time your class schedule says that you're going to have class, so for example 12:10, or I think 6th period starts a little later, you're going to click on this meet link. It is going to take you to a meeting where we are going to have class. You're joined now. You guys will have to have your cameras on because that is how I'm going to take attendance, okay? I'm going to get out of here and go back to our Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom, you will find your classwork. There are some things already loaded. It will be some different students in here, and then, of course, your grades, okay? The first part right now is already done because you guys are already in my Google Classroom if you are seeing this video. So congratulations, and I cannot wait to see you guys on Monday or on Tuesday since we are doing block schedule this year. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at my email dperry@alvinisd.net, and I will see you guys soon. Have an awesome weekend. Take care. Adios.